And next, welcome to our main game. Kian Baclan against Rashawn McCarthy. Baclan scores against two bigger defender.
Sinaanan ni Baclan doon yung 7-footer Parang walang nangyari.
Easy lang. 5-0 lead for the green shirts. Caperal knocks down the triple. 8 minutes and 23 time remaining. Mike Phillips crossing the timeline. Phillips handoff to Boris Marasigan. Too strong. Rebound. Sam Digara. Forward pass comes from Tolonia. Caperal, reverse. That's good for Prince Caperal.
Lahat ng 5 points dito ng Zamboanga Valientes galing that guy, number 12 of Zamboanga Valientes, Prince Caperal. No? Isang 3 points at isang dukot sa ilalim against Phillips.
Baclan now scanning the floor. Skip pass to Macalalag. Backdoor play. Last touch for Fordsky Padrigao. 6 seconds na lang sa ating oras sa shot clock dito. 5-all our first game. Phillips open again. Fires for 3. Air ball this time for Mike Phillips. But that was a good look coming from Mike Phillips. Rashawn McCarthy has it. Behind the back dribble. That's a offensive foul on Prince Caperal.
Tinawagan ng offensive foul yung Caperal.
First team foul for Zamboanga Valientes. Casal with the inbound. Nandito kay Mike Phillips. Phillips to Baclan, kontra kay Padrigao. I'm pretty sure nagpang-abot tong dalawa, coach.
Yes.
Sa mga liga sa Manila.
Noong naglaro pa yan si Padrigao sa Ateneo and si Baclan sa NU. Yes, so pero last year hindi pa nag-aabot yan kasi di pa naka-residence pa yung Baclaan.
Ooh! Nwanku denied by Sam Digara. What a nice tapal coming from Digara, erasing the shot by Nwanku.
7-footer pa naman yung nasa harap mo.
7-5.
Mahirapan ka.
Grabe, laki. Fordsky Padrigao against Macalalag. Di ka nang maubusan ng espasyo doon. Handoff. Digara to Rashawn McCarthy. McCarthy hesitates. Extra feed. Mula sa labas. Mike Tolomia. Too strong. Rebound by Mike Phillips. Push for the green shirts. Mike Baclan or Kian Baclan. They need the scoring prowess of Baclan now. Whoa! Beyond the arc for Kian Baclan. The lead extends to 3 for the LSU Green Archers. Right on cue, Kian Baclan. Bumitaw mula sa 3. Oh, yung sintas nitong si Sam Digara. Laki ng sapatos, coach.
20 siguro yan. Size 20.
24 ata, no?
Oo, mga ganun. 20 to 24 yung paa nitong 7'5 na si Digara. Sobrang laki, oh.
Dalawang paa mo ata, coach. Kasya sa isang sapatos.
Grabe.
Grabing takua. 8-5 our score. Rashawn McCarthy against Baclan. Now Prince Caperal. Hot hand here. Not this time for Prince. Push for Baclan. Baclan wide open. Too strong for Kian. Rebound by Prince Caperal. 8-5. Fordsky Padrigao's team down by 3 points here. Goes inside.
Patay na.
Whoa! Slama Jama. And
May
that's
foul.
an end one.
Yes, may foul pa.
Sa harap ni Kian Baclan. Let's take a look at this pass coming from Prince Caperal. Humabol pa si Baclan, coach. Napangiti na lang si Kian Baclan doon. And the substitution here. 3-4 starters for LaSalle will sit down. Jacob Cortez with his new look, coach, no? One length yung buhok, tapos bunguton.
Yeah.
Jacob Cortez.
Bagong mukha eh. Bagong mukha.
Not the baby Jacob Cortez. Nag-mature na itong Jacob Cortez.
Nung nasa San Pedro pa yun ninyo, no? Sobrang batang-bata yung
baby face.
Baby face pa.
Ngayon, mature na talaga. Ito, in and out. Rattles out for Cortez. Rebound by Mike Phillips. Phillips against Capiral. Kick out. Makalalag. That's good! 3-point shooting displayed by DLSU Green Archers. The defending champion against the new team here. Capiral. Balik sa labas kay Mike Tolomia. Inside. Again. The entry pass to Sam Digara. Grabe. Gihatod na lang. Another foul ang nakuha dito ni Sam Digara.
Sobrang laki. Puta, hindi mo talaga hindi mo ma-push outside yung Digara. Pag nakatanggap sa bola sa ilalim, bibigay mo na yan.
Digara, first free throw. In and out for Sam. Insert daw. Grabe, laki talaga. Sam Digara. 7'5" guy. For Zamboanga Valientes. Too strong. Rebound for Mike Phillips. Now Jacob Cortez. 5 minutes time remaining. Phillips. Cortez, pick and roll. Phillips, one-hander. Too strong. Put back, Gonzalez. First field goal. Bagong player din for Lasal, coach, no?
Yes, oo. Naka-tatlong offensive rebound na yung Lasal.
8 seconds violation. What a double team by Cortez. And Mike Phillips right here. Now, Vic Manuel checks in for Zamboanga Valientes. Prince Capiral naman yung uupo. Vic Manuel, coach, last game natin siya yung naging best player.
Yes, oo. Magandang nilaro ni Vic Manuel eh. Kinain yung mga bata sa lalim.
Napaka-veterano.
Oo.
Papiso-piso lang yung veterano. Cortez kontra Padrigao. Goliena. Back to Cortez. Cortez steps back. Skip pass. Goliena. Scanning the floor. Phillips now fires. In and out for Mike Phillips. 13-17. 4 minutes time remaining. Tolomia. Manuel fires for 3. Air ball for Vic Manuel. Fresh and cold off the bench. Vic Manuel, grabe yung mga balita, coach, no? Rumor says he will play for MPBL.
Yes, he plays
confirm
for...
na ba, coach?
Yes, confirm
na. Confirm na.
Maglalaro siya sa Pangasinan Weavers.
Oh, Heat Weavers. Under Coach Gerson.
Yeah. Under Coach Gerson. Cabeltes.
Oh, Jacob Cortez knocks down the two-pointer. The cool cub, Jacob Cortez. Padrigao goes inside. Passos Tulo. There's a whistle. Out of bounds. It will stay with Zamboanga Valientes. And we have a timeout. All right. Back to our bowl game. 3 minutes and 58. Timeout for Zamboanga Valientes. They're down here.
Napa-time out yung Valientes ninyo, no? Kasi 8 points na yung lamang nila.
Now, pinasok dito Malik Diouf against the team of Lasal. Gabi, rematch dito. Itong parang yung member ng Lasal, coach sa championship game na yun. Itong si Ben Phillips na lang.
Yes.
Ano pa pala? Goliena at Rubico. Nandito pa pala sa Lasal. Malik Diouf. Uy, ball deflected. Nandito kay Cortez. Jacob drives off the glass, too strong. Put back, Pablo. That's good for Gonzalez pala. 17-7. The lead to 10 now. Foul on De La Salle Green Archers. 4-team foul para sa kanila. We have substitution. New player. Sarmiento. Bagong player din for La Salle. Sarmiento. Diouf or Malik. Ooh! And one for Malik Diouf. Let's take a look at this low post play for Malik Diouf. Going back, Padrigao to Diouf. Malik Diouf.
Maganda yung ginawa ni Malik Diouf doon, no. In-invite mo na yung defensa, saka pinasa sa labas ulit. And ni-repost niya. Walang dribble and one.
Going to the basket, Malik Diouf. Naturalized ba si Malik, coach, no?
Hindi.
Dahil si Kwame pala. Kwame Brown. Ange Kwame.
Ange Kwame, oo. Ng Ateneo.
Yeah, Ateneo. After ball game, Cortez threading the needle. Extra quick. Goliena misses. Rebound. Andito kay Malik. Stepping on the line. Ang laki ng tiil.
Umapak yung size 20 na paa ni Malik.
Malik Diouf with a big shoes right here. 7'2" guy. Former UP Fighting Maroon. So speaking of UP Fighting Maroon, Pablo din, coach, no?
Yes, galing
nag-commit.
UP. Hindi, nakalaro talaga yan.
Nakalaro talaga. 17-10. Rudy Linganay. Short for the Termite. Cortez. Running now. Extra feed. Dungo in and out. The tap goes to Vic Manuel. Here comes Manuel. Tolomia. Out of bounds for the green shirts. Substitution here. Kit Jimenez pala. Kit Jimenez checks in for the first time for this ball game. Former San Miguel Beerman. The reunion with Vic Manuel dito sa Zamboanga Valientes. Ika nga ni Snow Badua, coach, no? The former San Miguel Beerman and yung mga papunta pa lang ng San Miguel.
Yes, tama.
Vic Manuel, naiwan yung bola. 17-10. Goliena escapes. 22-10. 12-point lead. 2-minute time remaining. Linganay calls three-pointer for Rudy Linganay. Goes to his strong side.
Simpleng ginawa ni Rudy doon. Umatras, naging horns play sila. Dinala ni Malik yung tao niya sa baba. Nag-help yung tao ni Rudy. Open si Linganay sa 3-point.
Cortez, skip pass. Goliena, 5 to shoot. 3-pointer, no good for Jacob Cortez. One-hand pass, Malik Diouf goes for 2. It's 15-19 our score here.
Apat na lang
ito. So, that's not the official score on our screen, no? 19-15 our score here inside the gymnasium. We have substitution. Back to our ball game, 19-15, 1 minute and 8 for the first quarter. Stays with La Salle. Dungo ang inbound dito. Cortez. Use the screen. Cortez fires. Cortez too strong. Whoa! One-handed putback. Coming from Mike Phillips. Tingane kontra kay Cortez. Parang yung papa nito at si Linganay nagpang-abot pa. Kit Jimenez underneath. Fires for two. In and out for Kit Jimenez. Cortez. Tudungo. Andre. Phillips. One-hander. Too strong for Phillips. 40 seconds left. Vic Manuel finds Malik Diouf. Malik Diouf for 2 and 1. For Malik Diouf.
Ibigay mo na yun kay Malik.
Malik Diouf, the former UP Fighting Maroon.
And a former MVP.
MVP din, yes. And sabi nga dito ng ating amigo, Dabert Candado, Fordsky Padrigao, yung runner-up sa MVP race na yun. At ngayon magkakampi na for Ateneo.
Yeah, so
time si
sa Ateneo pa ni
Fordsky. Philip short. Rebound by Rudy Linganay. Diouf. Back to outside. Linganay. Shot clock at 15. Manuel, one-hander. Too strong. Rebound Kit Jimenez. Jimenez goes outside. Balik kay Rudy Linganay. Shot clock at 8. Differential dito. Linganay. Hesi move. Kicks outside to CBC. Stolen away by Jacob Cortez. No more shot clock. No look pass. Extra feed. Tap. Pablo drives. Nope. Rebound out of bounds for Malik Diouf. 0.5 seconds left.
Grabe.
.5 seconds left. 21-18. Pablo Cacha, shoot! Oh! Umabot pa. So that counts for Pablo De La Salle with a 5-point lead. We'll be right back for the second quarter action, brought to us by Governor Ann K. Hofer and Vice Governor Attorney Ray Andre Oligario. Baseline inbound dito, foul kagad for Kian Baclaan against Rudy Linganay. Reed Huntilia checks in for the first time for Zamboanga Valientes. 23-18. 5-point lead. Extra feed. Vic Manuel. One-hander for Manuel. Papiso-piso lang. 23-20. Baclaan against Jimenez. Cortez. Pass too strong. So backcourt violation para sa Lasal. That's for Kian Baclaan. Jacob Cortez will sit down. Papasok dito. Number 26 for Lasal. Green Archers. Zamboanga Valientes with the ball. 9:31. Linganay. Rudy goes to Vic Manuel. One-hander. That's good. 4 points now for Vic Manuel. 23-22. Rubico. Baclaan. Shot clock at 14. Kian skips it to Phillips. Phillips against Diouf. Phillips again. Inside and one. That's good for Mike Phillips. Mike Phillips again facing Malik Diouf. The UAAP matchup. UP and De La Salle Green Archers. But this time, yung sumalubong kay Malik Diouf doon, or for Mike Phillips, is the veteran Vic Manuel caught in action. Bonus free throw for De La Salle Green Archers. Mike Phillips at the line. First free throw for Mike Phillips. Short rebound secured by Malik Diouf. 1 minute gone by for the second quarter. Rudy Linganay, Jimenez, Diouf to Reed Huntilla with a finish. What a run for the Valientes.
May ibubuga pa si Kaplumpo ah.
Batang-bata pa si Tuya Yid. Rubico against Linganay. Rubico. Top by Huntilla. Malik Diouf. Crossing the timeline. 25-24. 8 minutes time remaining. Here comes the screen by Diouf. Linganay, same spot earlier. Miss shot. Rebound secured by Phillips. 8 and 15. Baclan. Hesitation. Pull up. No good. Last touch for Mike Phillips. 8 minutes and 8 time remaining. Fortsky Padrigao checks back here. Eight minutes time remaining. Marasigan and out. Pasok ulit si Makalalag and Nwanku also checks in for Pablo. Grabe yung trabaho ni Pablo doon. Itulak itong si Malik Diouf. Ngayon pumasok ulit si Sam Digara. Fortsky Padrigao against Makalalag. Match up din itong Lasal. Vic Manuel drives. Manuel too strong. Rebound. Goes to the biggest guy inside the floor. Now hounded by Nwanku. Too much for Nwanku this time. Grabe. Look at the layup, Coach Caro. Vic Manuel din tinapik ni Phillips. Bakit pa tinapik?
Parang umagaw ng kindi sa ibabaw.
Sobrang laki nitong si Sam Digara. Second team foul yun ng Lasal Green Archers. Fortsky Padrigao. Crosses over. 25-24. Padrigao fires. Off. Put back for Kit Jimenez. The T-Rex. Grabe, Kit Jimenez. Ginulat ang mundo dun. 26-25. With that put back by Kit Jimenez. 26-25 is our score. Back to our ball game. 26-25. 1 point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes. Phillips one-hander. No good again. Rebound Baclan against Sam Digara. Grabe. Sam with the inbound. Kit Jimenez against Baclan. The two social media sikats here. Digara and one. 2 fouls na itong nakuha nitong si Nwanku against Sam Digara. Let's take a look at the speed from Vic Manuel to Sam Digara. Walang magawa doon si Sam Digara or si Nwanku, Bright Nwanku against Sam Digara. Ang laki. Three-point play completed by Sam Digara. 2-point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes. Baclaan. Nwanku. Nwanku. Back to Rubico. Rubico. Drop pass to Nwanku. That's a foul on Sam Digara. Bonus free throw coming from Nwanku. Nwanku with his first one. In and out for Nwanku. Second one for Bright Nwanku. Once again, thank you so much to all our sponsors here, lalo na Governor Ann K. Hofer, Vice Governor Attorney Ray Andre Oligario, and to Pads Brotel Suit, Champion Commercial, Asia Link Finance Corporation, and Amlan Purified Water. So, ball will remain to the LaSalle Green Archers. Baclaan with the inbound. Goes to Mike Phillips. Handoff to Baclaan. One-on-one Jimenez against Phillips. Show hard. Almost a steal for Kit Jimenez. Phillips fakes. Phillips fires. Short. Rebound Jimenez. Goes to Vic Manuel. Manuel, the save. Goes to Rubico. Counter steal naman. Hontilia. Padrigao. Hontilia denied by Nwanku. Let's take a look at this pass coming from Padrigao to Vic Manuel. What a recovery coming from Nwanku.
Nawala bigla yung bola.
He raised that shot. "16 seconds to shoot. Kit Jimenez open for three. Back iron for Kit Jimenez. 29-27. Sibugay with a 2-point lead. Kian Baclaan calls for a screen. Baclaan, hesitation. Baclaan against 7'5" guy. Mike Phillips, too strong. Rebound for Valientes, too strong. Going to Vic Manuel. And now they call the service of Mike Tolomia and J.R. Kinyahan. Si Mr. Paka-Paka.
Pumasok na. Si J.R. Kinyahan, paka-paka. Paka-pakang adobo eh.
O chicharong bulaklak. Baclaan. Baclaan over the head pass. Nwanku. Makalalag kontra kay Tolomia. 5 seconds to shoot. Makalalag. No good. Rebound top to Zamboanga Valientes. Mike Tolomia catches it and lays it in. (31-27). Mike Phillips. Baclaan goes inside to Phillips. Phillips against Jimenez. Baclaan over the 7-foot guy. Sam Digara. 31-29. There's another whistle. We have a timeout here for Zamboanga. Back to our ball game, 31-29. Pass deflected, the save by Cortez to Baclaan. Open lane layup. And contested shot once again coming from KN Baclaan. But kudos to that save by Jacob Cortez, the backcourt duo of LaSalle Green Archers. Tie ball game, 31. Mike Tolomia fires for three, no good. Rebound by LaSalle Green Archers. 31-all. Baclaan needs to score this time. Floater for Baclaan. Wild one. Rebound. Sam Digara. 31-all once again. 4-12. Portsky inside. Kinyahan. Balik kay Padrigao. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound Makalalag. 31-all. 18 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez. Handoff to Jacob Cortez against Jimenez. Kick out. Pablo. Baclaan. Under 10 seconds ang ating shot clock. Baklaan, fakes. Naiwan yung bola. And that's a foul on Kian Baklaan. A substitution. Baklaan will sit down. Andre Dungo checks in. The pride of Pampanga. 31 all. 3 and 40. Time remaining.
And that was third personal foul on Pampanga.
Tolomia. First free throw. That's good for Mike Tolomia. And once again, thank you so much to our sponsors for this 24th Zamboanga Sibugay 3rd Governor Ann K. Hofer Invitational Basketball Tournament. The Bads Brotel Suit, Champion Commercial, Asia Link Finance Corporation, Amlad Purified Water. Gonzalez, the bounce pass inside. Makalalag escapes for 2. What an escape coming from Makalalag. Snatching back. Lead. Pull-up jumper. Padrigao answers back for Zamboanga Valientes. Cortez. Kontra Kinyahan. Balik Gonzalez. Inside and miscue out of bounds. 3 minutes time remaining. Shout out to all our viewers watching us right now. Close ball game itong inyong nakikita dito ngayon. Oh, what a drive coming from Mike Tolomia. Miss shot. Cortez. Andre Dungo fires, misses, rebound. Sam Digara. Tolomia drives. Tolomia, no good. 33-35 pa rin. Pablo against Kinyahan. Kick out, Makalalag. Tolomia. Or Cortez rather. Pull up J. No good. Rebound, Sam Digara. Dito ngayon kay Fordsky Padrigao. Padrigao. Di nila napansin. 8 seconds violation. Another turnover for Zamboanga Valientes. Two minutes and 17. We have some clarification here by our officials. Cortez. Cortez again, 8 seconds to shoot. Jacob Cortez, out to bounce for Jacob Cortez. 2 minutes and 8 seconds, time remaining for a second quarter here.
Maganda yung laban Dikit-dikit lang
Sobrang dikit lang din.
Brian Cruz.
CBC muscling his way inside the paint against a younger defender dito na si Gonzalez. Makalalag with a hot hand. Makalalag, pull up for 2. Short for Makalalag. Rebound, dito kay CBC. 1 minute and 40. 100-second left. 37-33. Padrigao against Cortez. Padrigao calls the screen. Padrigao didiskarte. Naiwan yung bola. Stolen away by Cortez. Cortez.
5 against 1.
That's a foul on Mike Tolomia. Grabe yung advantage ng Lasal doon, coach. Tinakbuhan. Ito sa ating replay. Jacob Cortez. Parang ang hina lang tignan, coach, no? Naka-slow mo kasi. Bonus free throw for Jacob Cortez. Rudy Linganay checks in for Zamboanga Valientes. And they love the sportsmanship displayed here by Tolomia and Cortez.
Shout out mo tayo ninyo sa team owner ng Cebu classic na si Boss Walter Ora and of course to our boss, Boss Jackson Chua.
Oh, Boss Jax.
Good evening, boss, and to Star Horse Shipping Lines. And to Mayor Jules Hataman, good evening sa inyong lahat po dyan.
Cortez. Pablo. Drives. Kick out. Andito kay Cortez. 1 minute time remaining. Pablo fires. Pablo scores for 2. Tie ball game. 52 seconds. Linganay. Tie ball game. Rudy Linganay. Finds Kinyahan. Linganay. Sam Digara. Clock at 7. Air ball for Digara. Push now for De La Salle. Chance to snatch back the lead. Cortez. Gonzalez handoff. Cortez going inside. Wild one. That's a foul on Sam Digara. Last foul to give. We have a timeout here for De La Salle Green Archers. 37. All will be right back to play on to defend their crown.
Yes, tama ka, no? If LaSalle lose this game, I think wala nang chance na makapasok sila sa final.
So inbound ito for De La Salle Green Archers. Inbound by Cortez to Pablo. Pablo inside. Stolen away by Rudy Linganay. 20 seconds. 1 second differential sa ating shot clock at game clock. Tolomia. Tolomia against Cortez. No switch. Kinyahan. Diouf. Inside for the slam. 5 seconds left. Last shot for Cortez. Long three-pointer. Short. Diouf with a rebound. And that's the end of our enter Capital dito po sa Ipil Zamboanga, Sibugay. Third quarter action natin for our third Governor Ann K. Hofer Invitational Basketball Tournament. Mike Phillips. First field goal of this ball game. 39 all tie ball game. Valientes has it. McCarthy. Tolomia. Kick out. Stolen away by Goliena. Phillips. Baclaan. Goes inside to Inwanku. Pass too strong. Goliena goes for 2. (39-41) is our score. 2-point lead for DLSU. Sam Digara against Inwanku. Tolomia. Capiral. Prince for 3. Cutting the lead here. Or snatching back the lead to 41-40. Inside Inwanku against Sam Digara. Phillips. Kian Baclaan. Goliena. 5 seconds to shoot. Goliena pull up. No good. Inwanku offensive rebound. Cortez for 3. Short rebound by Digara. Fortsky Padriga will cross the timeline. 15 seconds on her clock. Digara swings it to Prince Capiral. Capiral, one-legged shot. No good. Rebound picked up by Kian Baclaan. Stepping up his gas. Baclaan. Hesitation. Baclaan fouled. (13). That's on 13 or 12. No 13 inside the floor. Oh, 13 pala. Oh, Tulomia. Hindi ko nakita. Blindside dito. 41-42.
Now get 4. Bahan. 41 is
42 for Zamboanga Valientes. And shout out to Kevin Kiambao and the rest of Gilas Pilipinas team watching us right now. Happy watching and good luck. And God bless sa upcoming games, mga idolo na nagrepresenta ng Team Pilipinas. Tulomia Euro step too strong. Rebound goes to Kian Baclaan. Baclaan stops and fires. Baclaan scores from downtown. 45-42. 7:35. Fortsky Padrigao passes to Caperal. Tulomia. The homegrown talents of Zamboanga. Kick out. Caperal. One-hander. High arc shot. No good. Sam Digara. Last touch for Inwanko. Out of bounds for Digara. Di nakita kasi ang lalaking tao ng mga players na ito. 6'10" and 7-footers. Cortez bringing this one down. Cortez inside. Stolen away. Fortsky Padrigao controlling for Zamboanga Valientes. Padrigao fakes the pass, goes inside, no good. Rebound Goliena. 6:50 time remaining. 45-42. Inwanko. Baclaan against Roshan McCarthy. Inwanko. Phillips crosses over against Digara. Scoops inside for two. What a move coming from Mike Phillips. The speed advantage against Sam Digara. 47-42 our score. Cortez attacks. Nabitawan yung bola. Caperal to Padrigao. Patiently waiting. Padrigao. Ball fake. Corner. Swings it. Caperal against Phillips. Backdoor. Nope. Three-pointer for Prince Caperal. 47-45. 2-point lead for De La Salle Green Archers. 5:40 time remaining. Phillips drives inside. Inwanko with his jump in front of Sam Digara. 49-45. Padrigao goes to Sam. That's a foul on Inwanko. That's his third personal foul. We have substitution for De La Salle Green Archers. Change 5. Third personal foul for Bright Inwanko. Shout out to all our viewers sa ating live stream. Maayong gabi. Good evening sa inyong lahat. 47-49. Coming from Sam Digara. Ball position for Zamboanga Valientes. Padrigao calling Kit Jimenez. Jimenez against Cortez. Digara inside. That's a foul on the floor. Uy, shout out. Idol sa tanan. Eman Suarez. Watching our live right now. Eman Suarez. Grabe. Ore Castarian Rondol. And to all the players watching us right now. And mga tropa natin, good evening. Sam Digara, inside. Araro dito. That's a traveling violation for Sam Digara. Score is 49-47. This is the final score, or the official score, rather, here inside our gymnasium. Cortez, Koskert. Munti ka nang mawala kay Gonzales. At ito nga, turnover for LaSalle Green Archers. They're up 2 points here. Third quarter, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Jimenez to Sam Digara against Gonzales. Salubong dito. There's a foul on, yeah, number 6. Cortez will sit down. Kian Baclan checks back para po sa LaSalle Green Archers. Shout out to Andy Baroka. Good luck sa inyong tanan diya sa ipil. God bless guys. Maayo kayo ang akong tanaw diri. Yes, shout out to Andy Mark Baroka, coach, na watching our live right now. Miss shot for Sam Digara. Also a grassroots of Zamboanga Valientes, the homegrown pride of Zamboanga din. Itong si Andy Mark Baroka. Ian Baclan. Steam up by 2. 49-47. A steal for Vic Manuel. Forward pass to CBC with a layup. Tie ball game. Low scoring output for both teams. Makalalag against Vic Manuel. Labas dito ang aksyon. Back and forth swing. Pablo. Denied by Manuel. Sam Digara. Nowhere to go. Sabi niya, bumalik daw kayo. Baclan wants to go inside. Fade away J for Kian Baclan. Once a shooter, always a shooter for Kian Baclan. Ito naman, CBC mismatch. Kasi foul on Pablo. 14 foul for the LaSalle Green Archers. For the third quarter natin. Shout out to all our viewers. Happy birthday kay Kyle Fernandez from Aaron Di Tomas Galabin. The fans of Kian Baclaan bumabaha dito sa ating live comment section. The LSU Green Lancers, or Green Archers rather, up by 2 points here, 51-49. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Inbound for Rudy Linganay. Kit Jimenez. That's good for Kit Jimenez. 4-3. Love the matchup, Kian Baclan and Kit Jimenez. 2 scorers here. Baclan. The feed. Makalalag, the lefty. Goes back to Phillips. Shot clock at 5. Makalalag dancing with Manuel. Phillips out of bounds. One second time remaining for De La Salle, Green Archer. Shout out natin atong amigo Christian Macsabay watching our ball game. That's a baseline. Stepping on the line. Zamboanga Valientes forcing a turnover against De La Salle Green Archers.
Buenaventura out. Marasigan in.
Zamboanga Valientes with the inbound. Kit Jimenez goes to Rudy Linganay. 52-51. Third quarter action. Linganay versus Baclan. Vic Manuel from downtown. That's good for Vic Manuel. Another hat shooting displayed by Vic Manuel. Makalalag. No good. That's a pass. Mike Phillips. Rebound Vic Manuel. That's a foul against Vic Manuel. 2-minute time remaining for the third quarter.
Second personal foul on Manuel.
Shout out to all our viewers in the live stream. Ea Rico, Pius Fernandez. Baclan steps back for three. Baclan, no good. Rebound Malik Diouf. Rudy Linganay against Boris Marasigan. Linganay to Vic Manuel. Manuel against Gonzalez. The muscle man. Vic Manuel, too strong. Rebound Malik Diouf. Diouf goes inside for two. Air ball for Malik Diouf. 55-51. 4-point lead for the Valientes. Phillips. Nowhere to go. 10 seconds to shoot. Calling again. Itong si Boris Marasigan against CBC. Phillips. Stolen away by CBC. And that's a foul on number 2. Boris Marasigan.
And one warning, jersey number 18 for second motion.
So free throws for CBC, Car Brian Cruz here. After the foul penalty situation na itong De La Salle University Green Archers. Start on our screen, Coach Topix Robinson. His team down by 4 points here against the international representative of one of the international representative of the Philippines, Zamboanga Valientes. CBC knocks down his second free throw. Minute time remaining. Baclan able to cross the timeline. Boris Marasigan in and out. Boris, extra swing. Makalalag. Makalalag spins. Makalalag fouled. And Coach Bobby Dick asking for some review. They're asking for some review. First free throw for Marasigan. Or Makalalag pala. Last free throw na ito para kay Makalalag. In and out, rebound by Malik Diouf. 56-51. 45 seconds time remaining. Rudy Linganay. against Boris Marasigan. Malik Diouf. Top of the key drive. Nope, binigay kay Jimenez. Kit Jimenez, extra swing. Linganay mula sa 3. No good. Rebound for Lasal. And Jimenez down. Baklaan. Marasigan attacks. Phillips inside for 2. At nakatayo naman dito itong si Kit Jimenez. Linganay. No more shot clock. Linganay against Marasigan. Kit Jimenez. Pull up. Jumper for Kit. No good. Seconds left. Long shot. No good. For the LaSalle Green Archers. But then...
And
back to our ball game, fourth quarter action. 56-53. 3-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Cruz. Jimenez to Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel to Diouf. Pass too low. Out of bounds for Malik Diouf. Jacob Cortez checks back for De La Salle Green Archers now. Ante Dungo also for De La Salle. Cortez drives, kick out, extra swing. Andre Dungo against Linganay. Dungo goes for 2. 1 point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes. La Salle trimming. Diouf kicks out. Jimenez. Vic Manuel, short rebound para sa La Salle. Cortez, extra swing. Masyadong malakas at mataas. Going to Boris Marasigan. Fourth quarter. Ganay bounces to Cruz. Vic Manuel against Phillips. Vic Manuel fires. That's good for Vic Manuel again. Papiso-piso para sa veterano. Vic Manuel extends the lead. 59-55. Nwankwo. Cortez. Too strong for Mike Phillips. Eight and 18 time remaining. Fortsky Padrigao to Vic Manuel against Phillips. Vic Manuel, one-hander, no good. There's a push coming from Andre Dungo. Sakpan. 59-55. "14 seconds on the shot clock for the DLSU Green Archers, or for the Zamboanga Valientes pala. Padrigao, pull up, no good. Rebound picked up by Mike Phillips. Dito kay Marasigan, 7 minutes time remaining. Phillips, Andre Dungo. Dungo to Phillips. There's the foul away from the ball. Or 3 seconds pala. Violation against Nwankwo. 7:49 time remaining. We have substitution. Diouf will sit down. Pasok si Sam Digara. Substitution din, Luis Pablo for Brent Nwankwo. 55-59. 7 minutes time remaining. Padrigao. Cross-court pass. Kit Jimenez fakes. Jimenez wants to go inside. Jimenez kick out. CBC for 3. Too strong. Rebound Sam Digara. That's another foul. Well, that's on Jacob Cortez. Seven and 29 time remaining. There's a wet spot here. 59-55. Baseline inbound for Zamboanga Valientes. Seven and 28. Kit Jimenez open for 3. In and out. Miss shot for Kit Jimenez. 58-55. Jacob Cortez will drive. One-hander for Jacob Cortez. Too strong. Rebound Jimenez. Here comes Kit Jimenez. 1 against 2. Jimenez. Kick out. Traveling. Or foul pala. Foul. 21 holding it. Luis Pablo. 3rd team foul for DLSU Green Archers. 7 minutes time remaining for the 4th. Time check natin dito. 12 or 11-17. Basketball still alive. Foul on Pablo again. 14th foul. It's a hard foul against Digama. Or Digara rather. We have some whistles here. Digara. Tapik andito kay Vic Manuel. One-hander. Vic Manuel misses it. Here comes De La Salle. Marasigan go hard to the basket for 2. Cut down the lead. Polski Padrigao. Corner. 3-pointer. Wala pa rin for Vic Manuel. La Salle. Cortez drives. Gives it to the wrong guy. Jimenez. Manuel. Euro step. Denied. And that's a foul on Pablo. We have substitution here. 58-57. Still a 1-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. A very close game. Some wet spot here instead of floor. Martin Nwankwo checks in. Daming basa dito sa loob ng ating court.
Tapot kayo ang basa. And
Vic Manuel, first free throw. That's good for Vic Manuel. Two out of two for the muscle man. 60-57 3-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes against DLSU. Andre Dumo ay iwan doon ang bantay. Misses. That's a foul on Sam Digara. Two-point shot coming from Kian Baclan. Iba yung leaping ability dito. Itong si number 32, Guliena. 60-57 our score. Daming wet spot dito. Kaya lalong tumatagal itong ating ball game. Time check po 11:30. Mike Phillips scanning the floor, 8 seconds to shoot. Mike Phillips, Guliena, top 2 Jimenez. Here comes Kit Jimenez. Polski Patrigao controlling. No good again for Zamboanga Valientes. Here comes Kian Baclaan, fouled by Jimenez. Lot of fouls here in our ball game. First team foul for Zamboanga Valientes dito sa ating fourth quarter. Dictating the tempo here. Slow pace ng ating ball game dito. Ang daming mga basa dito inside the floor. And once again, thank you so much to all our sponsors here, especially to Governor Ann K. Hofer, Attorney Ray Andre Oligario, our Vice Governor, and to the Buds Brothel Suit, Champion Commercial, Asia Link Finance Corporation, Amblan Purified Water. Miss shot for Kian Baclaan from downtown. 5 minutes and 35 time remaining. Kian Baclaan. 1 out of 2 and we have a timeout. 5 minutes and 35 time remaining.
Zamboanga Valientes Music DJ. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Patrigao now.
Fourth quarter action, 58-60, 2-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Forsky Padrigao. Prince Capiral fires for 3. No good. Rebound Kian Baclaan. It comes Baclaan now for Lasal. Hesitation. Baclaan. Open lane for the drive. Ganda ng seal doon itong si Inuwanko. Open lane for Kian Baclaan. Padrigao. Kontra Andre Dungo. Match up dito. Goliena. Switches. Atras. Crosscourt. Tolomia. Capiral. Padrigao. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound for LaSalle Green Archers. Mike Phillips wants to go for the attack. Kick out sa labas. Baclaan. Shot clock at 12. Kian Baclaan kontra Kit Jimenez. Baclaan. Extra feed. Inuwanko with a slam. 2 dunks now for Inuwanko. Capiral. Jimenez. Lead change to De La Salle Green Archers. Tolomia against Phillips. Oh, what a strong drive coming from Mike Tolomia. Using his experience against the younger opponents here. Extra feed. Kian Baclaan for 3. Baclaan time for De La Salle Green Archers. 65-62. Digara to Mike Tolomia. Tolomia fakes. Tolomia nowhere to go. Finds Capiral. Fires for 3. Short. Rebound. Kit Jimenez. Stolen away by the green shirts of De La Salle. Still completed. Phillips. Fouled. Too strong for the finish. Itong si Mike Phillips. Let's take a look at this. Extra feed by Kian Baclaan. 3 straight points for LaSalle. Involved itong si Kian Baclaan. 2 field goal, 1 2-pointer, 1 3-pointer.
No!
Miss shot for Mike Phillips at the free throw line. Phillips for the second one. Rattles in for Mike Phillips. 66-65 now. 4-point lead for the De La Salle Green Archers. Diouf. Tolomia short. Rebound Phillips. Now De La Salle with the possession. Call for the number 1 play. Goliena may tangan. Baclaan goes inside. Baclaan fade away. No good. Rebound Malik Diouf. And the save goes to CBC. 66-62. 2 minutes time remaining. The bounce pass to CBC. Wild one. Rebound for LaSalle. Kian Baclaan calls for another number 1 play. Baclaan. Phillips. 8 at the shot clock. Mike Phillips. Mike Phillips with another 2-pointer. The lead extends to 6 for De La Salle Green Archers. Point lead right here. Ball position for Zamboanga Valientes. Mike Tolomia against Goliena. Padrigao. 14 seconds to shoot. They find CBC. Mismatch. Double team. Nice help. Vic Manuel for 3. That's a bounce for Vic Manuel. 68-65. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 50. An offensive foul on Goliena. Yung substitution. Goliena sits down. Pasok si Cortez dito. 1:49 time remaining. And again, sobrang lamig po dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium. Madalas na nagmo-moist itong ating court sa loob. 68-65. Portsky Padrigao to Vic Manuel. Manuel drives, lays it in for 2 for the muscle man, Vic Manuel. 68-67. 1 minute and 30. Oh, ankle breaker. Baklaan, no good. Rebound Phillips. That's a foul on Vic Manuel. Number 30. That's a foul on Vic Manuel. So 14 foul for Zamboanga Valientes. Another wet spot here. Ang dami sa loob ng ating floor. Baseline inbound lang. Wala pang technique. Wala pang penalty. Itong Zamboanga Valientes dito ngayon. Jacob Cortez with the inbound. The LSU with a 1-point lead. Cortez to Pablo. Pablo gives back. Ooh! Stolen away. Mike Tolomia to lay that one in. Lead change here. 69-68. A minute time remaining for LaSalle. Down by 1 here. Back to Cortez. Cortez goes inside. Pablo denied. Phillips denied again by Malik Diouf. Twice in a row. Padrigao has it. 1-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Portsky Padrigao. Vic Manuel. Manuel goes inside. Malik Diouf with a putback. Lead change. A 3-point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes with 40. Back to our ball game. 41.6 seconds. Time remaining here. Inbound for Jacob Cortez.
And
Where'd they go?
Cortez
Phillips
gives it to
denied here.
Baklaan.
Baklaan.
Baklaan back to
Tap out of bounds by Malik Diouf. 71-68. 11 seconds left on the shot clock. Cortez against Padrigao. Makalalag, nabitawan. Baklaan, 4 seconds. And that's a 3 seconds violation on Pablo. Inakaalis doon si Pablo, Luis Pablo. Be aware. .2 seconds left. Mapman once again. May basa dire.
Substitution.
The substitution. In 1-2 for Lasal. Phillips uupo. Hindi pala, Luis Pablo pala.
Pre, kill the time, pre!
71-68. Fortsky Padrigao. Tatawid ng bola. Padrigao able to cross the timeline. Padrigao. 71-68. Shot clock at 14. Vic Manuel kontra Phillips. Manuel uses his body. Miss shot. Rebound for Lasal. No more shot clock now. To tie the game. Makalalag for 3. No good. Rebound Vic Manuel. And a foul on Lasal.
And foul on jersey number 25. Quan Ke. That was a nice play brought by Lasal, but it was short. 2 shots.
.5 seconds. Crucial free throws for Vic Manuel. First one is good for Manuel. Second free throw for Mr. Muscleman, Vic Manuel. Second one, short for Manuel. Baklaan. 4 seconds. Baklaan. Air ball for Baklaan. 1.9 seconds left. And another win for Zamboanga Valientes